Welcome everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Cricut Designs, and I'm fresh back from the meet and greet in San Antonio, Texas, where I was there to help Cricut demonstrate the infusible ink system to the Cricut community. And while we were there, Cricut announced the new Cricut Easy Press Mini coming out in September. So this video is to answer all your questions I'm seeing about everything you want to know about the Cricut Easy Press Mini. Plus, I'm going to share with you a snippet from the official launch that Ashish Arora did at the event because it's super fun to watch. All right, let's get started.
Guess what? The secret is sitting in a handbag right in the middle of the table. And actually, don't touch it. I have an authorized person. It's her purse, ma'am. Anne-Marie is one of our senior leaders, marketing leaders. And can you grab your handbag? This is actually my purse. I'm not really comfortable myself. Before this, just before this, I had my colleague Jeff holding it like, here's your handbag. Well, I have something here. I'm gonna just, for now, take it out without dropping it. So one of the things that we talked about was that we love this idea of bringing, what we did with the Easy Press, these large industrial heat presses and things that are bulky and sometimes not very safe, making them user-friendly, and we brought it to your desk. And just like computing, everything that goes in the desk ultimately gets in the palm of your hand. So I have this in my palm of my hand.
Cutest thing ever.
This basically has all of the technology and the software that is on a heat press or on an Easy Press. Introducing the Cricut Easy Press Mini.
I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the enthusiasm that happened when Ashish Arora, the CEO of Cricut, announced the official launch of the Cricut Easy Press Mini at the San Antonio meetup. Now, I am a Cricut product expert, so I already have my hot little hands on a Cricut Easy Press Mini. And so the rest of this video is going to be talking about the features of the Cricut Easy Press Mini, some ideas for things, projects that you can use it for, and some other information that I know you guys are asking. I'm seeing you online. So let's get started. So it comes in a cute little box like this. Let's take a look at it. It's well packaged, as all of the Cricut products are. And of course, there is a little get started guide that comes with it. And we have the mini. I'm just going to take all of this out, and you have the base. And I'm just going to set that off to the side. So now this, while it looks small, you can see it compared to my hand, it is a good quality. It has enough weight to it that it doesn't feel like a little plastic toy iron. I would like to mention that it gets so hot, right? So this is not something you want to have the kids play with, okay? So you want to, and there's a little sticker here that lets you know that. I'm just going to take that off. All right, so let's talk about it. So it has a good weight. It's easy to hold in your hand, and it has the ceramic coated heat press bottom, all right, and it has edge to edge even heating. So no matter where you're heating on this piece, it's going to be the correct temperature. And notice that it has no holes in it. So this is a dry, what they call a dry iron, which is what you want to use for when you're using heat transfer vinyl and infusible ink. All right, so it has the insulated safety base, so that gives you a nice little place to store it, and to, when you're using it, to have something that's going to protect your surface. It has an auto shut off feature that will shut off after 10 minutes. And it's very lightweight, portable, and obviously you can see, since it's so small, it's super easy to store away. And I do want to point out that on the front of this, it has 3 heat settings. So these little lines here will be the heat settings, and then this is your to turn it on and off. All right. Now, you will notice that it does not have a timer. All right. So unlike the original or the Cricut Easy Press 2, you can set a time on this. Because this is so compact and small, it is not built into this. But on the Cricut Easy Press heat guide that you can find online, and I'll link that heat guide up in the description of the video, you will get an idea when you select that you're using the Cricut Easy Press Mini. It will let you know, depending upon your base material you're putting it on, depending upon which type of heat transfer or iron-on material you're using, and if you're using infusible ink, that you will be able, it'll tell you how many seconds you're going to need to use it on that particular product, and you can set the timer on your phone or count it down or look at your watch or whatever. So that's a little bit different from the original Easy Press, so I wanted to point that out. Now, this compact size is ideal for small or odd shaped heat transfer vinyl projects, and it's even good for pressing seams for quilters or touch-ups. You know, like sometimes we have boo-boos on our heat transfer vinyl projects where maybe we missed a spot where we didn't quite get our Easy Press on it. This will be great to do those little touch-ups, and also for the quilters out there for pressing your seams, that type of thing. And because it's so small and because it's just the right size and it has this great pointed tip here, it's great for effortlessly curving on contours, going in between buttons and that type of thing. Now, what kind of projects would you use this on? It would be great for hats, canvas shoes, stuffed animals, backpacks, baby shoes, wallets, small purses, earrings, and other small blanks is really what's going to be great for your Cricut Easy Press Mini. Now, unlike the other Cricut Easy Presses where you just place it down on your project and set the timer and let it go, the Cricut Easy Press Mini is made so you actually move it around on your project. So that'll be a little bit different than what you're used to if you have the other Cricut Easy Presses. So that's another difference I wanted to point out to you guys. Cricut Easy Press Mini will be available starting September the 6th of 2019. It will be at Cricut.com and other online retailers at that point. And then after that, it'll be available in retail stores. I will put a link in the description of the video where you can purchase this at Cricut.com. I appreciate the support of you making your purchase there. And the price is $69.99, and it is the first one out will be for the US standard, North American standard voltage. There is a European compatible voltage available out in November of 2019 for those markets. I know you guys were asking about that. Right now, the only color it's going to be coming in is the raspberry color, which is the original color. Cricut has not announced or shared with us if they're going to have it in any other colors. So you may want to get this right away and not wait to see if it comes out in a different color if you really want to use this. I'm thinking with the holidays coming up, how many awesome projects I'm going to be able to make so quickly and easily. I will be doing some tutorial videos, so be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button, notification button, so that every time I put out a new video, you get that notification. Thanks so much for your support by using my affiliate links that I post in the description of the video. Please leave me any questions that you have about the Cricut Easy Press Mini. I'm happy to answer those, and if there's anything in particular you want me to show you using this on, please let me know. I've already got a project using the canvas tennis shoes and hats and a stuffed animal coming. Also come join me in the Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group or the Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill Facebook group. And I hope you guys have a great day and happy crafting.